Hey, it's Anthony with the Sayles team. Just wanted to introduce one of the latest and greatest communities in Wailea, Makali'i. There's a total of 68 condos in the Makali'i community, 2 and 3 bedroom townhome residences. The open-air living was designed with careful consideration and really embraces Maui's marvelous climate year-round. The architectural choices are thoughtfully minimalist, allowing the beautiful ocean views to dominate your senses throughout the entire property. Nearby are all of Wailea's many resort amenities, including first-class restaurants, 3 championship golf courses, a tennis club, elite shopping opportunities, and miles of white sandy beaches and ocean recreation. The Infinity Edge pool at Makali'i is epic. It allows homeowners to enjoy outer island views of the sparkling blue waters of the Pacific, as well as epic sunsets year-round. If you have any questions about this fine community, please don't hesitate to reach out. Aloha.